Alright, I've got my Kenmore king size capacity washer, and I've got a Maytag dryer to go with it, which I'll show here in just a minute. But first I wanted to show that this washer is in excellent shape. It's working on an ultra clean cycle right now. Got a pretty good sized jeans and towel load in there, and it's filling up. It's in excellent shape, and we'll let it run through, and I'll show you that it agitates like it's supposed to. Everything works the way it's supposed to, and then let you hear the spin cycle. It's nice and smooth and no weird noises or anything like that. And we'll move those clothes over to the dryer, and I'll show you that. Alright, and it is working on agitating those clothes now. You can see that the lid switch works like it's supposed to. And then this agitator works. You can only spin it one direction, which is this direction, and you cannot spin it back. That's how you know whether these work or not. If you can spin it both directions freely, then your agitator's busted. So, alright, we'll come back for that spin cycle. Okay, so here it is in that final spin cycle. It's nice and quiet, nice and smooth. It's moving nice and fast. So I'll go ahead and let that finish up, show you that those clothes are spun out correctly, and then we'll take a look at the dryer. Okay, so we've come to a stop here. I'll show you these clothes are nice and light. Excellent. This big heavy towel. No excess water in that whatsoever. Alright, so we will get those moved over to the Amana brand dryer. It's just a couple years old on the dryer. Nice big huge capacity on that. So give me just a sec to move those clothes over. Alright, got the clothes moved over. Close that up and just kick that over to time dry. There you go. As you can hear, it sounds great. It's nice and level. There's no thumping or bumping or unbalancedness at all. It's running real smooth. Okay, I had to find my heat gun, but I want to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So that little red dot will show you the surface temperature or whatever you shoot it on, and so we'll shoot that right inside the heating element tube. You can see there plenty of heat coming out, getting those clothes nice and dry. Kick that over on auto dry. And the washer's cleaned out. Nice king size capacity on that washer, and super capacity plus, which just about matches. You saw that that load looked kind of small in the dryer, but it's a pretty good sized load in the washer. So, well, there you have it. I like to do these videos to show you that what you're spending your money on indeed works. That's how I like to spend my money. So I do appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. If you have any questions, please reach out. Y'all have a good day. Thanks.